JavaScript gives us built-in types like string, number, boolean, object, etc. TypeScript builds on that system with a bunch of extra types. Let's take a look at the built-in types first, starting with numbers. The number type represents both integers and fractals, and uses number as the keyword. It also supports hexadecimal, octal, and binary values. A boolean is a named constant that represents the logical values of true and false. They're technically numbers themselves, where true is 1 and false is 0. If you're coming from another language, like C#, keep in mind that you have to use boolean as a full keyword and not just bool. A string is an array of Unicode characters combined to form words or sentences. Strings can be wrapped in single or double quotes and uses string as the keyword. Let's declare a variable called empty, without a value. If we hover the mouse over it, we can see that the compiler assigned any as the type. We can also specify it explicitly. Basically, the any type tells the compiler to skip type checking on the variable. So we can assign something like a number to it, and that'll work. Or we can assign a string, and that'll work too. But that defeats the whole purpose of having type checking in the first place. We want to avoid using any as much as possible. Luckily, there's another type called unknown that's similar to any, but forces us to do some other sort of type checking. We'll cover the unknown type when we talk about type narrowing. For now, just keep in mind that it exists, and it's preferable to any. Now, let's move on to user-defined types, starting with arrays.